Hey guys, Luna Moon here, and today, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, recently I have made a Sims 4 family, and today I thought I would show you the house that I bought for them. So this is going to be a series of videos. I don't know what I'm going to call it yet, but this is just going to be the house tour because the house is really big and I don't want these videos to be too long. So yeah guys, let's get started. Alright, so this is the exterior of the home. As you can see, it's very nice landscaping. I've got this lovely lit up fountain and more landscaping, and it's really nice on the outside. I didn't make this house, I bought this in the gallery because I couldn't make something that was amazing. And alright, so this is the front entrance. It is really nice. I really like the hall table. I think it's really cute, and we got some nice bags along there. Then this is the living room, and I did make a few changes to it just because I thought it was a little bit dull at first, so I just put in this nice wallpaper here. But I really like this too. I think it's really cool, really chic, really slick with its nice piano. So yeah, I think that's a really nice. Then through here we've got the grand staircase going all the way up to the top, the invisible top floor that we can't see right now. And then this is a nice little hall table in here. Round this side we have got the dining room, and we've got some nice little bookshelves in there. Then we have got the downstairs bathroom here. It's really nice. It's got the toilet, the sink, all of the different. We got like a cabinet here and some laundry and a bathtub. Then in here is like the study room, and they got a really nice computer here, and yeah, an easel and a cute little guitar. Up around this side is the parents' bedroom, and they have got a really big, really cool bedroom with this nice pink bed, and there's just like a dresser there and this nice rug as well. And they've got their own personal little kind of study section there, and a wash basket or a bin or something. Then this is the second floor. It is really cool. So this family has got 3 kids: Kyra, the teenager, Daisy, the toddler, and Casey, the child. And there's actually another member on the way. Their mother, Kyra, is actually pregnant at the moment. But this is Julia, the teenager's room. It's really cool. It's not very huge, but she doesn't really mind too much because she'll be going to college next year, so she probably doesn't need a huge house because she won't be here all the time. But she's got that nice dresser there as well. This is the upstairs bathroom. It's pretty basic, kind of. It's got everything. I'm not really very keen on these big windows here, right where your bathtub is, but yeah, I guess it's pretty good. And there's just this nice little part here. This is like a kind of woodworking station. Got a woodworking bench here. And then we have this wizards kind of thing that the kids are supposed to play with. Then this is Casey's bedroom, and Casey is the oldest daughter. Well, no, she's the second oldest daughter actually, and she's got a really big room. I really love it. I am really jealous of her. I think it's really cool, really bright and airy, and she's got a nice easel as well. And this is her bathroom, and it's actually really cool because this is her sister's room, her sister Daisy, and she has got this amazing big room here with loads of toys and things. I'm not quite finished doing up the room, but I'll be doing a bit more of that off camera. But it's actually a double door, so you can go in both sides, so that's really cool. It's like they share the bathroom. And yeah, that's up there. Now this is the 3rd floor, and the 3rd floor has got this really nice room in here. It's not as big as the other rooms because up here it's like a loft kind of a place. So these are like the spare rooms. So Got this nice one, and then we got like a matching one in blue, but with some sports equipment here, and a little study desk. 2 of them. I might put some computers up there, but we haven't got them at the moment. Then around this side is kind of like the kids kind of living room style thing. So it's really nice, but it's a bit more colorful with really colorful things and really colorful chairs. And then over here is the big TV that they can watch, and it's also the sporting room. So yeah, guys, actually I forgot to do the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. I gotta say it is really awesome. It's really cool, really industrial. I have a few things that I will change around in it, but I'll do that another day because I don't want this video to be too long. So yeah, that is their whole house. I have to say I think it's really, really cool. There's actually this little outdoor kind of area. So we got a really nice pool, a really big pool for when it gets so hot in the summer. And we've got this really nice play kind of things. They got their own play park in their house, which is really cool. And then they've got these nice things here. So I'm guessing it's really warm where they are because like all of the pools and things and fountains. And then we just got a nice barbecue here and some more sports equipment that I actually haven't seen yet because this house is so cool, so big. But yeah, now they've got like 2 sporting rooms so everyone can take turns. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And they've got a little side gate out here. And what is this? Okay. Oh, it's just a little place there. So yeah, guys. So that is the whole house. I gotta say, I think it is really, really cool. Shout out to whoever made this. This is actually called the Modernity House. And shout out to whoever made this because I think it is super, super cool. Guys, we have reached the end of our video because this was just a house tour, but I will be doing lots of interacting with the Sims and lots more later on in these videos. This was just like the welcome kind of a video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!